to instill these particular values. That's why now they got this campaign out that we must return to the great values that built this country. Now we got to jump on that cracker. Because the cracker been coming to you telling you, you need to forget about slavery. Oh, that's the past. You living in the past. And you even see silly Negroes saying, oh, that's the past. Why can you blame something on me that my ancestors did? I ain't had nothing to do with that. You get into metaphysics, you know that such thing as reincarnation. That's the same cracker to kill your mama, the same one you might be married to. Now, look. So, what Super say? Well, I'm going to ask you. Now, see, this is something somebody going. When I was in Indiana, well, brother, I know I heard some stuff on the Egyptians believed in that, but then again, on the other hand, you know, the Egyptians supposed to be some evil black people, you know, based on that Exodus thing. And the book was a prophetic history. They didn't have America back then, so they had to pick a city, and Egyptian was Kemet was the empire of that day. So when they write about a city in the future, they use Kemet as a doggone icon. It meant America. It's a prophetic history of an Exodus coming out of America, not an Exodus coming out of Egypt, because it never happened. Right? The Egyptians in their drama, they got an Exodus out of Egypt. The Egyptians do. So they ain't talking about no people on whatever. But, sister said, well, but I want to know what can you find about the reincarnation in the Bible. I said, well, that would be, okay, you'd be right. And I said, I don't think it's fair for you to just try to look in the Bible and say if it ain't in the Bible, I can't go along with it when you got 19 books on it missing. I would say it would be fair to say that in actuality, when you get the other 19 books, then you can draw your conclusion on what's what. Right? But they talk about Elijah and David reincarnating in the Bible. You see what I'm saying? So now the white boy got to jump on you. You need to forget about the past. Right? Now since the country is slipping from under his behind, you got a whole campaign about we need to go back to the traditional values. Now wait a minute, hold on. Now we got to jump on you. Because if you go back to those traditional values, that means that you got to talk about slavery in its entirety. You got to talk about killing 60 million Indians in its entirety. And you got to hear two sides of America saying that that past was the doggone deportation for us. Right? And you got to jump on them. You see, because they're saying that we don't hit a ceiling. We was evil back then. We evil now. But when we was evil back then, it worked for us. So therefore, we got to go back in. But if you go back in, you got to admit to slavery. So we got to jump on the cracker because now they got this campaign to talk about what? Back then, the great values that built America, when we know damn well what built America was what? Slavery and murder. Death. You see? Now, so, spiritually, I remember back in, I gotta tell you this, because I remember back in 1988, they had a show on